Hey, happy Valentine's.
Alam mo, ikaw talaga wala ka nang pera eh.
So what? Who cares?
Ala, thank you. Open ka na.
Open it first.
Ito gift ko sa'yo, pero huwag mo muna
Yeah, open
tignan.
mo na.
Ito muna. Ako mo lang.
Okay,
Get this.
open mo na.
Okay, wait lang.
Eh, syempre, Valentine's eh. Syempre, we'll make it special for you.
Gagi ka talaga eh. Nagtitipid ka nga eh.
I know, but, you know, Valentine's only happens once a year. So, why not? Iba naman.
Oh my God. Pero nakatali siya. Pero
Yeah,
ito
sorry.
na natin.
Syempre.
Hindi nyo siya makikita, guys. Pero
I mean, picture
nakatali
later.
siya. Sige,
Ah, pala,
picture na
kailangan
natin.
gunting.
Wala eh. Okay, your turn. Ay! Oh my God! Ano, talok tataba. Ano mo yan? Uy!
Yeah, it's okay.
Ikaw talaga
It's okay.
yung spoiled
Wala, ayaw mo. Eh, Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. Thank you so much. Oh my God! Ito.
Okay.
Yung gift ko naman sa'yo.
Okay, yun na yan.
Siyempre nakabalot yan. Secret.
Wow, maganda pa talaga. Okay.
Oo, pinaghirap akong balutin yun.
T-shirt lang, no? Just kidding.
Oy, grabe ka. Sige, open mo muna bago mo basahin yung letter ko.
Okay, sure. Open ka muna.
Oo, open
Okay,
mo.
sige. By the way,
Sige, kahit sirain mo na.
sure?
Oo.
Okay.
Madaming tape.
Okay.
Ay, ilang maga ko lang yan binalot eh.
With the effort.
Careful ah, fragile yung loob niyan.
Okay, sige. Wait lang, so much.
Hindi, I mean, okay na yan. Ito lang naman bubuksan mo dyan eh,
Okay.
ibabaw lang.
I mean, it's taped up. I mean, how do I... Okay, never mind, never see. Okay, wait lang. Dami papel. Let me just put it here for a bit.
Okay, sige, lagyan mo lang muna dyan.
Oh, wow. Hey. Wow, I love it. Tanga na. It's my dog scratching Coco. Wow. Yay. Thank you so much,
And
Yin.
basahin mo yung letter ko
Ah.
kung bakit ayun yung Valentine's gift ko na rin sa'yo.
Wow.
Taksan mo, I wanna hear it.
You're young. It's Valentine's Day. I want to give you something that truly means something to your heart. And know there were no words that will ever replace the love you had for them and their space. They left behind. They weren't just dogs, they were family. Your comfort, your happiness, and part of who you are. So this is my gift for you. No, there you go. I got some nice pop figurine of your two angels. I wanted you to have something that keeps them close. And small. Reminder that your love never really let you. Maybe never break your heart, and I will stay by your side in a different way. I hope this brings so much comfort to you, makes you smile just like they always do. Thank you so much, Yin. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sabi ko sa'yo, special yan
Thanks,
eh.
Yin. Yeah, I appreciate it. You really got the looks, promise. Hey, because you even got Coco's, color right. Ganda, tanga na. I love it.
Diba?
It's
Alam mo
great.
lang kung ba't ko hiningi yung picture nilang dalawa.
Yeah, I didn't know about that. Yeah, actually.
Oh.
Thanks, Yin. I love it.
Ang tagal nila ginawa yan, 1
cute.
month.
Look,
Kasi clay yan eh.
So
Minold
cute.
nila yan eh.
I love it. I'm sure Prince will love them as well.
Mm.
Promise. This is mine now. Tanga na.
Mm.
Thanks, Yin. Love it.